Welcome back to Science of Mind, your guide to unlocking your full potential. Today, we're demystifying a powerful practice, simple meditation practices. Guided exercises to calm your mind. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights on personal growth. Meditation, often portrayed as a complex and esoteric practice, is, at its heart, a simple way to train your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. It's a powerful tool for cultivating inner peace, reducing stress, improving focus, enhancing self-awareness, and promoting overall well-being. Many people are intimidated by the idea of meditation, believing they need to clear their minds completely or sit in uncomfortable positions for hours on end. However, meditation doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Simple meditation practices can be easily incorporated into your daily routine, offering a pathway to calm and clarity, even amidst the chaos of modern life. The core of meditation lies in training our attention. We're constantly bombarded with thoughts, feelings, and distractions, making it difficult to stay present. Meditation helps us to develop the ability to observe these mental phenomena without judgment, allowing us to respond to them with greater awareness and equanimity. So, how can beginners get started with simple meditation practices and experience the benefits of a calmer, more focused mind? Let's explore some guided exercises that you can try right now. Step 1. Preparing for meditation. Creating a calm and supportive environment before you begin meditating. It's helpful to create a calm and supportive environment that minimizes distractions and promotes relaxation. Find a quiet place. Choose a location where you won't be disturbed. Minimize distractions. Turn off your phone, close your door, and let others know you need some quiet time. Choose a comfortable posture. You can sit on a chair, sit on the floor, or lie down. The most important thing is to be comfortable and relaxed. Set a timer. Use a timer to signal the end of your meditation session. This will allow you to relax and fully immerse yourself in the practice without worrying about the time. Create a ritual. Establish a ritual to signal to your mind that it's time to meditate. This could involve lighting a candle, playing calming music, or taking a few deep breaths. Step 2. Guided breathing meditation. Anchoring your attention to the breath. This is a variation on the basic breathing meditation we covered before, with extra guidance. Close your eyes gently. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath without trying to change it. Feel the air entering your nostrils, traveling down your throat, and filling your lungs. Feel your chest and abdomen rise as you inhale. Feel the air leaving your lungs, traveling up your throat and exiting your nostrils. Feel your chest and abdomen fall as you exhale. Continue breathing in this way, focusing your attention on the sensations of each inhale and exhale. As you breathe, notice any thoughts, feelings, or sensations that arise. Acknowledge them without judgment and gently redirect your attention back to your breath. If your mind wanders, that's okay. It's normal for your mind to wander. Just gently guide your attention back to your breath each time it happens. Continue for 510 minutes. When the timer goes off, take a few deep breaths and gently open your eyes. Use a guided meditation. Follow along with a guided meditation recording. Many apps and websites offer free guided breathing meditations. Search for guided breathing meditation for beginners. Focus on the physical sensations. Pay close attention to the physical sensations of your breath, such as the feeling of the air on your skin or the movement of your chest. Don't get discouraged. It's normal for your mind to wander. Just keep practicing, and you'll find it easier to stay focused over time. Step 3. Body scan meditation with guidance. Increasing body awareness and relaxation. We covered the body scan earlier. This version adds guided instructions to enhance the practice. Lie down on your back in a comfortable position, with your arms at your sides and your palms facing up. Close your eyes gently. Take a few deep breaths and allow your body to relax. Bring your attention to your toes. Notice any sensations you may be experiencing, such as tingling, warmth, pressure, or nothing at all. Gently acknowledge these sensations and allow them to be there without judgment. Now, slowly move your attention up your body, focusing on your feet, ankles, calves, knees, thighs, hips, abdomen, chest, back, shoulders, arms, hands, fingers, neck, face, and head. As you scan each body part, notice any sensations you may be experiencing. If you notice any pain or discomfort, simply acknowledge it and move on. Don't try to change or fix it. If your mind wanders, gently redirect your attention back to your body. Continue for 10-15 minutes. When the timer goes off, take a few deep breaths and gently open your eyes. Use a guided meditation. Follow along with a guided body scan meditation recording. Be patient. It may take some time to develop the ability to sense subtle sensations in your body. Focus on the process, not the results. Don't worry about whether you're doing it right. Just focus on bringing your attention to your body and observing whatever sensations arise. Step 4. Loving kindness meditation. Cultivating compassion and kindness, loving kindness meditation, also known as metta meditation, involves cultivating feelings of love, compassion, and kindness for yourself and others. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes gently. Begin by focusing on your breath, noticing the sensations of each inhale and exhale. Bring to mind someone you care deeply about. Visualize this person in your mind's eye and send them loving kindness wishes. Repeat the following phrases silently to yourself. May you be well. May you be happy. May you be peaceful. May you be May you be peaceful. May you be free from suffering. After a few minutes, bring yourself to Piet Prapium Cheng's 3 Doof Desab Cry Dels Indos. Send you as an Peter Smugari Sadad in the Canada, Moxani Daratu. Bring to mind someone you feel Detroit to Extend your loving kindness wishes. Finally, extend your loving kindness wishes to the close. Extend your everyone. Observing your thoughts, developing detachment and perspective. This meditachment and developing detachment, you do it. That's why officer man, professor thing, teacher, and such night, empty, inside. Comfortably as you, there's me, sector. You, laser Methodism. Stop them, change them, or analyze them. Just notice them as if you were watching clouds passing by in the sky. Label your thoughts. Just not just that your hunches mean it's good to them to lower your shoes. You not a bit of burden. If you free heads. Don't get it away by arms. The courage of I used to come because sometimes don't shade, don't come foul, take no take me, don't guess, don't need to interrupt back to your attention by your Brenton does it, tire it, gently read. Step 6. Integrating meditation into your daily life, making it a consistent practice. The key to reaping the benefits of meditation is to make it a regular practice. Set a specific time each day. Choose a time of day when you're most likely to be able to meditate without interruptions. Start small. Begin with just a few minutes of meditation each day and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Be consistent. Even if you only have a few minutes to meditate, try to do it every day. Find a meditation buddy. Meditate with a friend or family member for support and accountability. Now, let's address some common challenges with meditation. Difficulty focusing. It's normal to have difficulty focusing when you first start meditating. Just be patient with yourself and keep practicing. Restlessness. If you feel restless during meditation, try changing your posture or focusing on your breath. Judgmental thoughts. It's normal to have judgmental thoughts about yourself or your meditation practice. Just acknowledge these thoughts and let them pass. Meditation is a powerful tool for calming your mind, reducing stress, and promoting overall well-being. By preparing for meditation, practicing guided exercises, and integrating meditation into your daily life, you can unlock the transformative benefits of this ancient practice. Remember to be patient with yourself, embrace the process, and celebrate your progress along the way. So, start today. Choose 1 or 2 techniques from this video and commit to practicing them regularly. Your mind will thank you for it. That's it for today's episode of Science of Mind. We hope you found this helpful. What are your favorite meditation techniques? Share them in the comments below. And as always, remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies on personal growth. Keep believing in yourself, keep practicing meditation, and we'll see you in the next video.